Okay, we're going to start by putting in the truss rod, which on this I'm using just a piece of steel tubing, and you can see I've cut it to length and put it into your channel for the truss rod, and I actually epoxied it in place so you won't get any rattle from it. Now where you've got your slots done, make sure they fit your sides and everything's lined up, and then we've also cut a groove here in the top. Now the thickness of this is taken from the top. It's going to match the thickness here where the top and the neck connect. I'm going to put the neck in place here so you can see how this fits together. You should have a pretty good tight fit there. And then when the neck's in place, from the top to the top of the neck to the body, I should say, will be flush. And that way the fingerboard can extend over the top and will sit right on top of it. Now I'm going to use some epoxy here to hold the neck in place. And I just mix some up, and you want to start putting it on any surface on the inside of the guitar where the neck is going to touch, and then you want to put it on the outside of the guitar as well. Make sure you're getting it on all those surfaces that will mate together. And then you want to put the neck into place. Make sure you've got epoxy everywhere you want it. And then I'm going to put a little block on top here just for the clamp. And I'm going to clamp it in place. And then go back and clean up any epoxy that has squeezed out. You may even want to add epoxy where maybe you didn't get enough on. But the real critical part is to make sure that that joint, those slots where the sides hit, are epoxied well. Then you can see it here clamped into place. And then just let it dry.